Hello guys, welcome all of you to my channel. Friends, today, we will see how to legally activate Windows 10 and 11. Let's do it without a product key. Yes, it's absolutely legal. Let's start. To go to Settings, hold the Windows key and press I. After going to Windows Settings, you have to go to System. Okay, here in System you have to scroll down in the right panel and find out Activation. If it is written here Windows is activated with digital license linked to your Microsoft account, then understand that your Windows is already activated. Okay, you can check it here if Windows is not activated. You can find, which is in the Settings, you have to go to Accounts, and you have to go to the Info. I ended up signing in with a Microsoft account. After that, now you have to select this option here and then your Microsoft account is logged in. Digital license from your Microsoft account. It is linked and will be activated automatically when you connect to the internet. Connect your PC or laptop. This is also a method without the product itself that you can use. You can activate it after the pre-installed app. Activation PC or laptop pre-installed. Let's say Windows is automatically activated. When you connect to the internet, type any key. I won't even bother with what you need to do. And after that, there is another method. Buying a digital license from the Microsoft Store. You can go to the Microsoft Store and purchase a direct license. This license gets linked to your Microsoft account, and Windows automatically activates it. So friends, these were some legal ways to activate. Important thing to activate Windows 11 without product key. Friends, don't use any crack activator or legal software. It can be dangerous for your PC. If you like the video, and like and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell action. See you in the next tip. Thanks for watching.